In today's video, I will show you how to add a calendar event on your iPhone. This is a really useful feature that can help you stay organized and on top of your schedule. To get started, open the Calendar app on your iPhone. It's usually located on the home screen, but if you can't find it, you can use the Spotlight search feature by swiping down from the middle of the screen and typing Calendar. Once you're in the Calendar app, tap the plus button in the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a new event form. You can also go to the date you want to add the event and tap the plus icon. Now, you need to enter the details of your event. Write the title of the event. Write the location of the event if you want. Now select the date of the event. You can add a specific time event or an all-day event. You can set up this how you want. Now, if this is an event that will repeat, you can use the feature to repeat the event. You can select the calendar where you wish to save that event if you have multiple calendars. If you want to be reminded about your event, you can set a reminder or notification. To do this, tap the Alert button and then choose how far in advance you want to be reminded. You can also choose to receive a notification on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Once you're finished entering the event details, tap the Add button in the top right corner of the screen. The event will be saved to your calendar. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to add a calendar event on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.